Welcome to Superior Vocabulary, where language sharpens thought, and one word a day builds a superior mind. Word of the day, litigious. Master this powerful word with 10 practical example sentences, synonyms, and its origin, all in under 40 seconds. Litigious is an adjective, and it means 1. Inclined to engage in lawsuits or legal disputes. 2. Prone to taking legal action, often excessively or habitually. 3. Relating to or involving legal proceedings or litigation. 10 example sentences. 1. Many businesses have adopted a more proactive approach to avoid becoming embroiled in litigious scenarios with their clients. 2. The litigant was criticized for being excessively litigious, often taking trivial matters to court instead of seeking amicable resolutions. 3. Her litigiousness was well known in the community, often prompting friends to think twice before entering agreements with her. 4. Many employers dread hiring litigious employees who may seek legal action for any perceived slight. 5. The neighborhood became notorious for its litigious residents, who seemed eager to file complaints at the slightest provocation. 6. In a litigious society, individuals may feel compelled to sue over grievances that would have previously been resolved amicably. 7. His litigious reputation made potential partners wary of entering into business agreements with him. 8. She became known for her litigious attitude, often seeking damages for the smallest inconveniences. 9. The litigious climate in the industry has led to a rise in legal fees and insurance costs for startups. 10. Observers noted that the litigious climate stifled innovation, as businesses feared being sued over every decision. Synonyms: lawsuit-prone, contentious, disputatious, argumentative, legalistic. Origin: from Latin litigiosus, meaning quarrelsome or prone to dispute. The word entered English in the 17th century, originally describing someone prone to legal disputes, and later expanding to refer to environments or situations involving frequent litigation. That's today's superior word, litigious. One word a day builds a superior mind. If you want to sharpen your thinking and elevate how you speak, subscribe to Superior Vocabulary and make learning one word a daily habit. Superior insight. The first step up. Every level you reach in life demands something more understanding, more clarity, more confidence. And one of the most powerful ways to gain that more is through vocabulary. When your vocabulary grows, your world expands, you begin to understand ideas faster. Concepts that once seemed difficult become clearer. You start to recognize patterns, connections, and meanings that were invisible before. Without words, growth slows. You struggle to understand. You hesitate to speak. You doubt your ideas. But when your vocabulary strengthens, you rise. You speak with more confidence. You think with more precision. You act with more purpose. In school, this means better comprehension. In your career, it means stronger communication. In life, it means clearer decisions. And it all begins with something small. One word, one definition, one moment of curiosity. It may seem insignificant, but that one word leads to another, and another, and another, until one day, you look back and realize, you are no longer struggling to keep up. You are leading. So take the first step. Learn one word today, because every word you learn lifts you higher. Thanks for watching, and remember, one word a day builds a superior mind.